Dr. Vivian, who has been very close with Grace ma'am, who is taking care of her also. So over to Dr. Vivian.
Actually, practically all the speakers have already mentioned. There is not. I would just like to echo their sentiments. See, teachers are the building blocks of a nation. There's absolutely no doubt about that. They are also the catalyst for change of an educational system. So there is nothing new for me to add about this particular thing. But there is a different perspective that I would like to look at. Taking a cue from what Mr. Zishan just mentioned. See, when we were kids and when Grace Madam chose a profession, I felt that because looking at the kind of teachers that I did have, I felt that people who were really academically inclined with sharp minds were the ones who were becoming teachers. But as time went by, I feel that with my generation and the generation now, I feel that the actual brilliant minds or the actual people who are academically inclined are not choosing teaching as a profession, which is extremely sad. Now, I am also a I'm not talking about the other fields. Now, I am also a medical college teacher, but my principal job would be to be a doctor. I'm talking about the mainstream teaching profession. I think it is up to us to actually acknowledge and give the deserved position that a teacher does need in our society. Okay, the kind of respect, the kind of status, and financial security. I think this goes a this is a very important point that needs to be addressed on. So because remember, tomorrow the kind of entrepreneurs that you get, the kind of lawyers, engineers, doctors, whatever it is these teachers who make those people. So if we don't have good teachers, we are not going to have subsequent good generation of people. But it is very important that we do encourage teaching as a profession, make it lucrative enough for the sharp minds to take that as a profession, so that in future we continue to have teachers like Grace Madam, for our kids and their kids as well.
You have heard your students, and what are they today, and how they are grateful to you, and what are your thoughts?
Children at that age were very unassuming. They were naughty though, but now to see them really do well in life, it makes me proud of them. I'm really proud to see that the boys, now they are young men, they're all doing so well. And maybe I have just 1% of my contribution towards it.
Your teacher, our teacher, Grace ma'am.
I'm thankful.
What are your thoughts on the show and message to the viewers?
Okay, I'm thankful to Team News Karnataka, Wali and Rajesh, for the wonderful and well-organized program. The first of its kind, a tribute to teachers. A unique gesture made this day memorable for me and gave the boys an opportunity to reminiscence days of school. Viewers, remember, teachers are second parents. Your kids learn values at school and home, which brings out the best in them. You will definitely see them scale great heights as you find all my friends here. Thank you, dear students. Now you're my friends, okay? And viewers for your immense support on Teachers' Day. I end with a quote by Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. True teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Thank you.